Hello, viewers. Hope everyone is good. So today we will learn one more topic. So this is my previous project, and this is my project now. So by this project only we are creating videos. So you can watch my previous videos for more understanding. Coming to today's topic, right? So we will learn how to generate JUnit report. So JUnit report, how we are going to generate JUnit report. Okay. Now under playwright.config, say under module export site, you will see one reporter, default reporter called HTML reporter. Okay. So what I'll do, right? I'll run a few test cases. So I'm running in parallel. So already this is my command and I'm working on 4 browsers. We'll wait and see. So now I'm executing the test cases. Let them execute. So we will see the HTML report. Then we will try to create the JUnit report. Okay. Now see here. Okay. What it is, see. Copy this. Execute it. NPM Playwright show report. Okay. See, it generated the report, right? This is the HTML report. So normally, everyone knows how to generate the HTML report. So this is how we'll generate the HTML report. You can see all 13 test cases, all past 13. So zero are the failed, flaky, and script issues. Okay, these are zero issues. Execution time is 33 seconds. So start time 10:51. Okay, this is the HTML report. Everyone knows. So by default, after execution, no? So when we have reporter HTML, so our terminal is suggesting to open the last HTML report, execute this command, right? Now, what we'll do, right? We will generate the JUnit report. Okay. Now, comment this one. Try same thing. So reporter, what is reporter? So provide JUnit. Okay. So output file is output. So I'm giving the file name. What I can give the file name? Hmm. Execution results. Execution results XML file. So JUnit now it will generate the report in XML. Okay. XML report we can see. Now the same execution I'm doing. See, this is the reporting. We need to write the standard of JUnit report for Playwright. Okay. So we have the test case execution. So the execution is completed, right? See, the execution is completed. But here it is not giving the auto suggestion so to open the report in JUnit. But see, output file, right? What are the output file? It will come and sit here under this project folder structure. Okay. See, can you see here? Execution results.xml. Copy this path. Go here and paste it. See, so this is the HTML report, and this is the, can you see here? Test cases are 13, failures are 0, script 0, error 0. So each one, no, this is the test case file name. This is the test case. This is the test suite, test case name, test suite name, test case name, test suite name, test case name. So this is the JUnit report. So some companies want HTML report, JUnit report, say Allure report. So third party is the Allure report. But internally we can generate JSON report, JUnit report, and HTML report. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.